viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Radha here to teach mathematics. So viewers, today's class I have brought 10th mathematics part 1. So 10th mathematics part 1, we have started the second lesson, progression lesson. Okay, we have started second lesson, progressions. So in the last class we have discussed exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2 up to third main we have discussed. So today let us discuss about fourth question and fifth question. Okay, so this fourth question. So what is fourth question here? Okay, find the number of terms in the AP 100, 96, 92 and so on 12. See here they have given the arithmetic progression. Let us find. Here they have given the arithmetic progression. First write out the given arithmetic progression. 100, 96, 92 and so on, 12. Okay. So in the arithmetic progression they have given the first term. What is first term here? A is equal to 100. Okay. What is the common difference here? The common difference is equal to term 2 minus term 1. What is term 2 here? 96 is the term 2. Minus what is term 1 here? 100. So 96 minus 100 we will get minus 4. Minus 4. So minus 4 is the common difference. And also they have given the nth term value. Nth term is equal to 12. So nth term is equal to 12. Okay. Next, here we have to find out how many number of terms in the given arithmetic progression. How many number of terms, n value we have to find out here. How to find out? We know that children, we know that the general equation of the arithmetic progression, the nth term equation, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute the value for the given equation. What is Tn here? Tn is 12. Is equal to what is a here? 100. Plus what is n? We don't know. We have to find out. Minus 1 write as it is. N minus 1 write as it is. What is d here? The common difference is minus 4. Okay. So 12 is equal to 100 plus into minus n into 4 4n. Okay, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4. Okay, next 12 is equal to here 100 minus 4n plus 4. So we have to add 100 plus 4 104 minus 4n write as it is. Okay, here we have to find the nth value. It is in RHS side. So here we have to find the nth value. So n is there in RHS side. So n is there in RHS side. So if we take the complete RHS to LHS side and LHS to RHS side, it will become 104 minus 4n is equal to 12. So minus 4n right in LHS side only is equal to 12. If we take plus 104 from LHS to RHS side, it will become minus 104. Okay. Minus 4n is equal to 12 minus 104. 12 minus 104 we will get 92. 92 minus 92 is the answer. 12 minus 104 we will get minus 92. So n keep in the LHS side, write down minus 92. Send this minus 4 from LHS to RHS side. If we send minus 4 from LHS to RHS side, it will become divided by minus 4. So n is equal to minus divided by minus, we will get plus only. So 4 ones are 4. Here 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So 23. So the number of terms in the arithmetic progression is 23. N value is equal to 23. Okay. Next we have to move for fifth question. So what is the fifth question here? The angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression if the smallest angle is 50 degree. Find the other two angles. So viewers, here they have given the statement here. The angles of a triangle. So how many angles in a triangle? There are 3 angles in a triangle. So the angles of a triangle are in a AP. We have to write the angles of a triangle in the form of arithmetic progression. If the smallest angle is 50 degree, it is nothing but one angle they have given. It is the smallest angle, means it is the first term. First term is equal to how much? 50 degree. So first term is equal to 50 degree. So first term we can also represent it by T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to 50 degree. We have to find the other two angles. We have to find the other two angles. What is the other two angles? So we know that term 2. We don't know the term 2, but we know term 2 is equal to A plus D. We know term 2 is equal to A plus D. So what is A here? 50 degree. 50 degree. Shall we know D? No, we don't know D. Write as it is. Okay. Next, 50 plus D. Okay, what is term 3 here? Term 3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. So what is A here? 50 degree plus 2D. 50 degree plus 2D. Here we don't know the common difference 2D, but we know the terms, term 1, term 2, term 3. We can write in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D. We know the A value. We know the smallest angle. Okay. So here we have to find out the other two angles. Here we have to find out the term 2 and term 3. How to find out? Shall we use the arithmetic progression equation? No, but we know that the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know that. Okay. So what is the angles of a triangle here? Term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3 is equal to 180 degree. What is term 1 here? 50 degree. A is equal to A. What is term 2? A plus D. What is term 3? A plus 2D is equal to 180 degree. So what is term 1 here? What is A here? 50 degree. Next, 50 degree plus D. Next, 50 degree plus 2D is equal to 180 degree. So here we have to add 50 plus 50 degree plus 50 degree. We will get 150 degree plus D plus 2D 3D is equal to 180 degree. So keep plus 3D in the LHS side only. So send is equal to 180 degree. If we send plus 150 degree from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 150 degree. 3D is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 30 degree. Next, so 3D is equal to 30 degree. So in the next step, D is equal to 30 degree divided by 3. If we send 3 from LHS to RHS side, see here 3 is multiplied with D. If we send multiplied 3 from LHS to RHS side, it will become divided by 3. Okay. D is equal to 30 degree divided by 3. If we divide 30 degree from 3, we will get 10. So D is equal to 10 degree. So we found the common difference. D is equal to 10 degree. So now shall we write the arithmetic progression? Yeah, we can write. So term 1 we know that 50 degree. Next, what is term 2? A plus D. What is A value? 50 degree plus what is D value? 10 degree. 50 degree plus 10 is equal to 60 degree. Term 2 is equal to 60 degree. Next, term 3 is equal to A plus 2D. So what is A here? 50 degree plus 2 into what is D here? 10 degree. Okay, 50 degree plus 2 into 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 50, 70 degree. So the term 3 is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So therefore the arithmetic progression is 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. So the angles of a triangles are 50 degree that they have given already in the question. Next angle is 60 degree. Next angle is 70 degree. So this is the way of finding the angles of a triangle when they have given one smallest angle.